This is the Spawglass Summer Camp. It's the second year that Spawglass has provided this for the district. And this initiative is basically to expose students to the field of construction, all the other academies we have here at Harlingen High, electrical, welding, auto body, architecture, engineering.
So through demonstration and some participation, they got to learn and experience some of the electrical, plumbing, mechanical components of construction, as well as a lot of hands-on with drywall, masonry, concrete, and tape and float.
The activity that stuck out to me most was masonry, because my brother does masonry and I really like to build stuff using bricks and the mortar that they use to put them together.
I got to learn how to fix a hole in the wall, which was really cool because now I could fix any holes in the wall.
Masonry was a very fun and exciting thing to do, and even if I don't go into this, it's a very life skill that you could use in real life.
The drywall activity was kind of challenging because you had to put a lot of pressure to put the screw into the wall.
One of the most important things that we hope that they get is to see that through collaboration, through teamwork, it takes a lot of different people to make a team, to build a project, and that could apply to almost any industry.
I am going to be an engineer, and this has really helped me with that a lot.
I want to do masonry like my brother and build with bricks.
I would recommend students to try this camp because it's fun and it's a good way to find out what career you're going to be taking.
The career path I'm going into is not construction. I'm actually going into marine biology, but this did help me because one day I would like to make my own sanctuary, and instead of hiring somebody, I can actually get hands-on and help build it.
We're hoping that more students and people get into this industry. It's very rewarding, it's challenging, but very rewarding at the end of the day.